Hey guys, how are you doing today? Hope you are having a fun. So today I will show you some jeans and I'm pretty sure कि इन jeans में से कोई ना कोई jeans तुम्हारे taste की होगी. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. I got these jeans from the brand name called Off Duty. So the first one is charcoal wide leg high rise jeans. These jeans are super flared and I adore the flared jeans. These jeans in my perfect size and it fits me very well. So the color of the jeans is washed blacked out color. I really like the fabric of the jeans. Let's talk about the price. So MRP of this jeans is 1690 rupees. Jeans is non-stretchable but at the same time it's soft and non-stretch denim. So the size I got, it's 32. So let's move on to the next pair. So this is the midnight blue wide leg high rise jeans. So the best thing in this jeans is the thigh area cause it's little loose which we always prefer in the wide leg jeans. थोड़ी ढीली रहती है तो पहनने में भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. The quality of this jeans is so good and the fabric is also awesome. And I really like the detailing which is in yellow color. So it gives a pop of color. After wearing this, I feel like this is the perfect jeans for me. The size I got is 32 and after wearing, I felt like that it was little loose. So I got it altered from the tailor and now it's perfect for me. I won't recommend for going on shorter size क्योंकि जो size है वही ले लो. Guys, अगर आप उसी size को alter करवाओगे short size को तो वो आपके fitting में problem हो जाएगी thighs से. So that's why जो size है वही ले लो, उसको हल्का सा ऊपर की तरफ से alter करा लेना. So the MRP of this jeans is 1699 rupees. Moving on to the next one, we have super skinny white high waist jeans. This is high waist jeans which is in white in color. ये इतनी skinny भी नहीं है but at the same time it's quite stretchable. It has functional pockets at the front and at the back also. Fabric of this is 90% cotton, so it's quite breathable and it's also a summertime, so this jeans is perfect for the summer vibes. So all the links of the products will be in description box. That's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, so please hit the like button and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section box. तब तक के लिए खुद का ध्यान रखिए, सबसे प्यार करिए और खुद से भी. तब तक के लिए bye bye.